Well, morning campers, here we are again at the van. You can see there's a bit of sunlight here. Put my cap on, keep it in the shade. Behind us is the window again that we fitted.
So, we ready?
Well, here's our new window. We've taken the old one out, which was basically just a flap, which was screwed to the outside with a bit of kit, and it just opened up, and it had a piece of rubber lining the inside. As you can see, it's all a bit jagged, not very straight. Our new window is a little bit smaller. The width is exactly right, but the height are a bit short, so they could be a bit breezy, I think, especially when it rains as well. So what we've done, we've got a piece of steel, and we're going to just patch the outside, put the steel on there, close that up. Right, here goes. It does really saw all.
Cool.
Let's test that.
Yeah, baby.
Too bad. Bit of wood still.
Oh, it's impressive, dude. That's pretty cool.
Let's see how we're going to do this. Obviously the old window was a lot longer, so we have a little bit of an open gap there. Why don't we just leave it like that? Bit of air conditioning, bit of free flowing air kind of thing. Nah, maybe not. When it rains you might get a little bit wet. So what we have is a piece of steel. One side is white. That will go in there exactly, well, sort of. I cut it like that, and then that will cover up our little gap and you won't be able to see it anymore. So hopefully that'll be good. Bit of insulation kit, mastic silicone glue kind of stuff, Sikaflex if you want to call it, and a couple of pop rivets. So let's do that now. Done. Alright, alright. So there it is, Sikaflex 223. It's really, really good stuff. It is glue and silicone in one. Very weather resistant, it says here, adhesive sealant. And I can tell you what, it is really good. Because the last time I used it, it took me 2 days to get it off my hands. So I'm not really worried about any leaks so far. Why don't we clean the lens? Look at that, that's terrible. That's much better.